This is Teacher Marilyn, and today we are going to discuss the topic Drafting Tools, Materials, and Equipment. This video tutorial is based on your learning activity sheets in PLE 9, Quarter 1, Week 5. So bring out your learning activity sheets and turn your learner's module to pages 36 to 40. Our learning targets for this session are: demonstrate an understanding of concepts and principles in the preparation of tools, materials, and equipment in technical drawing. Select drawing tools, materials, and equipment in accordance with the standard operating procedures in technical drafting. Before the lesson, let's have some warm-up questions. I have here a question for you to answer. Arrange the scrambled letters. It is defined as a handheld device that aids in accomplishing a task used in technical drawing that do not consume while using them. Timer starts now. What do you think is the answer? The answer is drawing instruments. Yes, it is also called drafting tools or drawing tools. Very good. But before we proceed to our lesson, let's have some unlocking of difficulties. Let us first discuss the different technical terms encountered in preparing architectural job requirements. Freehand drawing. These are drawings that made without the use of drawing instruments or straight edges. Mechanical drawing. It is a scale drawing of a mechanical or architectural structure done with precision instruments. Drafting. The act or process of producing a technical drawing. Horizontal line. It is a line that runs across from left to right or right to left parallel to the horizon. Vertical line. It is a line perpendicular to the horizon. Oblique line, also known as slanted line. Angle. The figure formed by two lines extending from the same point. Proportion. It is the relation of one part to another or to the whole. Blueprint. It is a design plan or other technical drawing. For this session, you are going to define and identify the different drafting tools, materials, and equipment, and determine the proper use of different drafting tools, materials, and equipment. Let's talk about drafting tools, materials, and equipment. The first are the drafting tools and instruments. Number 1 is T-square. It is used to draw horizontal lines and serves as a guide for triangles. And T-square has three types: the fixed head, detachable or removable head, and movable or adjustable head. The next is the triangle. It is an instrument used for drawing vertical and oblique lines, and the two types of triangles are 30 by 60 and 45 degrees by 45 degrees. The third one is the drawing pencils. One of the most important tools of a draftsman in drawing. It comes in various grades. The grade of pencil to be used depends on the quality of paper to be used. You have to take into considerations also the type of line work required. And these are the different drawing pencil grades. Hard pencils are used for construction lines on technical drawings. Medium pencils are used for general purpose work in drawing. The harder grades are for instruments drawings and softer for sketching. Soft pencils. Soft leads are very useful for artwork of various kinds but are too soft for technical drawings. Erasing shield. It is a thin sheet of metal used when erasing pencil and ink lines to protect other drawing lines. The next is the protractor. It is used in setting a line degree angle. The next is a triangular scale. It is a tool used to enlarge or reduce measurement and distances to a regular proportion in the drawing paper. The next is the French curve, a flat drafting instrument with curved edges and several scroll-shaped cutouts, used as a guide in drawing irregular curves when constructing graphs or making technical drawings. The next is the pencil sharpener. It shapes long pencil lead into a conical shaped point. The next is the compass. It is used to draw arcs and circles. It is used a similar way to a divider. It is composed of one with a pen leg and the needle point leg being held together with a handle. Divider. It is an instrument used when transferring measurements, dividing lines or arcs into the desired number of equal parts. Dusting brush. It is a tool used for dusting and cleaning drawings with dust and crumbs. The next is the technical pen. It is a special pen used for inking lines in drawing. It comes in different points and sizes. Templates. It is a flat piece of plastic with standard symbols which is used as guide for drawing architectural images on lines. Ruler. It is the most popular type of tool for measuring sizes and short distances. The next are the different materials in drafting. The first in our line of materials is the tracing paper. It is a thin, transparent paper used for reproduction in blueprint. The next is the eraser. It is used to remove smears of pencils and ink lines. A soft eraser is advantageous in removing smudges and pencil marks, whereas a harder eraser is useful for making changes and correcting errors in the drawing. Masking tape. It is used to hold and fasten drawing paper on the drawing board. The last for our list of material is the pencil pointer. Sandpaper-like serves as substitute instrument in sharpening a pencil into desired points. The next are the different equipment in drafting. The first is the drawing board or table. It is a board made of softwood but with pleats of hardwood where the drawing paper is fastened with a draftsman's tape. The last is the drawing stool. It is a basic tool in drafting used to give some height for the drafting table onto the user when drawing on the drafting table. Now let's have some recap. What are the different drafting tools, materials, and equipment? The different drafting tools, materials, and equipment are T-square, triangles, drawing pencils, erasing shields, protractor, triangular scale, French curve, pencil sharpener, compass, divider, dusting brush, technical pens, templates, ruler, tracing paper, drawing paper, eraser, masking tape, pencil pointer, drawing board or drawing table, and drawing stool. At this point, turn your activity sheets to enrichment part. Reminder, do not write anything on this activity sheet. Write your answer on a separate long bond paper. For enrichment activity 1, word hunting. Find the 15 tools, materials, and equipment used for technical drafting in the puzzle. Write only the answers and number them 1 to 15. Enrichment activity number 2, name the picture. Identify the following drafting tools. Write only the answer. And for enrichment activity number 3, matching type. So you will be challenged to dig deeper into your prior knowledge and previous experiences about technical drafting. This phase will guide you in assessing yourself by answering the questions below, before you further explore the basics of architectural layouts and details. And for our wrap-up activity, just provide brief explanations to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the importance of being knowledgeable about drafting tools, materials, and equipment? Number 2. Which among the architectural drafting tools, materials, and equipment matters to you most, and why? I hope you learned something today. If you have questions or clarifications regarding the topic we discussed, feel free to contact your subject teacher through text or call. Or you may also post your questions in your official Facebook group or page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.